Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Inyo Bulldogs kontra sa UE Red Warriors 25-21, 25-13, 25-12. Best player of the game si Ruins Mil Tagibulos matapos nakapagtala ng 13 points mula sa 5 attacks, 7 blocks at 1 ace. Wagi naman ang Delacio Green Spikers kontra sa UP Fighting Maroons 25-23, 25-13, 25-22. Best player of the game si Vince Maglinaw sa likod ng kanyang 14 points mula sa 13 attacks at 1 block. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, hindi na pinaporma ng Inyo Lady Bulldogs ang UE Lady Warriors matapos pataubin sa 3 sets 25-13, 25-19, 25-16. Best player of the game si Micaela Belen sa likod ng kanyang 11 points mula sa 10 attacks, 1 block at may kasamang 10 excellent digs. Tinalo naman ng Delacio Lady Spikers ang UP Lady Maroons 25-15, 25-17, 25-18. Best player of the game si Laika De Leon matapos nagtala ng 13 excellent digs at 9 excellent receptions. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 10, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 5 wins, 1 loss. Delacio Green Spikers 5 wins, 1 loss. NU Bulldogs 5 wins, 1 loss. Ateneo Blue Eagles 3 wins, 2 losses. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins, 3 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 2 wins, 3 losses. UP Fighting Maroons 0 win, 5 losses. UE Red Warriors 0 win, 6 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of March 10, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 5 wins, 0 loss. Delacio Lady Spikers 5 wins, 1 loss. NU Lady Bulldogs 5 wins, 1 loss. FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 wins, 3 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 2 wins, 3 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 1 win, 4 losses. UE Lady Warriors 1 win, 5 losses. UP Lady Maroons 0 win, 5 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 13, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maghaharap ang UST Golden Spikers at UP Fighting Maroons alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang UST Golden Tigresses at UP Lady Maroons alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng Ateneo Lady Eagles ang Adamson Lady Falcons alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.